I like the way you look. I like the way you cook. Now what I really want to say, it is Happy Mother's Day. Mother, my darling, I love you each day of the year. You are sweet and you are so kind, and I am so glad that you are mine. My mommy is pretty. My mom is sweet. My mom is the best mommy you will ever meet. Mom, it is hard to find the words to say now much mean to me. But if it wasn't for your love and care, I don't know where I will be. Mommy, it is your special day, and it is time for me to say I'm glad for all the things you do. Thank you, Mommy. I love you. I